The Bull attorneys in Joplin, Mo, now handle construction site injuries, expanding beyond truck wreck cases. Expanding their practice, the Bull attorneys in Joplin, Mo, take crane injuries and construction site accidents. Joplin's Bull attorneys cover construction site accidents, including crane injuries, alongside truck wreck cases. They offer skilled legal representation to ensure victims receive the justice and compensation they deserve. Their commitment to justice drives relentless pursuit of compensation for those harmed by negligent practices. By offering specialized legal support to victims, they continue mission to provide justice for those impacted. They aim to secure justice and compensation for victims suffering from the severe consequences. Click the link in the description to find out more.